Hello, good morning, everyone. Today, so ADB news came negative, but market didn't move. I think everyone's waiting for Powell testifying. All right. अच्छा मैं चार्ट अलग खुला था मैं बोलूँ यूरो यूसी का चार्ट खुला हुआ था. Okay, let's see what is gold doing. Okay, let's see what the daily did. Okay, we got bottom wick. Good chance we do a wick fill. 36 pips left. We may get that now. The 4 hours pushing is going strong. It's annoying, man. I want to see bearish structure. It's just small bullish. Need bearish structure so it can start coming down. Let's mark the heights. That will be our resistance area. Okay, let's see. Is there any data on 15? I've got this on 15 and this.
भाई मसला हो गया.
Ah,
म्यूट कर.
okay, chat. Chat. Okay, plan is on the 30 closure. We are looking for buys above 33. That was the 15 resistance. Let me just make sure I marked correctly. Yeah, so 15 resistance here, and the next one is up here at 2140. Have you tapped 2140 already today? No. Okay. So we want a 30 closure above, and then a bullish closure would be ideal. The next 30 comes down, makes a bottom wick. We can enter buys going up. If you get a wick fill, if you get a decent range on wick fill, that would be good. 15 pips is good. Something like this won't be bad. And we can get a break even and maybe partial here. Then we can aim for. Yeah, we'll be aiming for this wick now, the most recent for our second partials. And your target will be daily, well, the wick high. So same setup as yesterday basically. Quite literally the same one. We were waiting for 2133 yesterday. Right here to grab buys. We made a bottom wick on. Actually, we ended up taking sells because buys did not happen. But that was off stream. I ended stream by then. But basically, this candle is this candle right here on the 30 pushed up with no bottom wick basically, and it tapped into my area on these wicks. It flipped, and I tried to take a sell, expecting 1 hour bottom wick that we didn't have one before, which was what was here. We didn't have a bottom wick, and the wick fill was the plan, which was right on spot there. Anyway, yeah, for buys, we were looking for same setup, 2133 buys above with a bottom wick. We just never got it. All the closures happened below, and the one that she made the move up, I believe it did. Yeah, once again, then it closed. It had no bottom wick and close respecting all this level. So let's see today. We are breaking out of the zone, so there's a good chance. Next 30 comes down, makes a bottom wick. With I think 5 is bearish, which is good. It will be a good chance we get a bottom wick. But yeah, we're looking for buys above 2133.8. Right, we should be good. So buys will be something like this, guys, okay? And your stops will be, that is 1 hour, okay? If you do current 1 hour, you're looking at 35 pips. Okay, yep. So 1 minute left. We can have potential trade early. Hopefully we want to. It'd be best we get a trade now, so you don't have to wait. Ready, shadows up.
Forward.
Possible trade coming up. Gold long.
Then let's mark the buy stop.
Up on a wick. Why this volume here?
Do you enter or not?
No. We did not enter because of the intense volume. You don't really want to enter impulse buy. We had a bottom wick, it pushed up to make a top again, but this is the reason we didn't enter. Avoid the drawdown. It just moved way too quick. It just didn't feel like a good entry area. But we can still come up and rip. This is almost like the news doing its play right now. It's coming back up now. Okay, have a buy stop above this. 2136, guys. Make sure your spreads are in place. Your stops will be the current 30 lows. If we flip on this, we should go up. Be careful of your spread, guys.
It's a buy stop.
Buy stop, yes sir. You wanna go BE very quickly on this one?
So the thing.
Once you wick fill, there isn't a lot of range, 10 pips. You wanna make sure you go BE. If you want, you can secure partials. Otherwise, partial line will be 2142. It will likely be this one. It's best to secure something. Also, if it comes down breaking lows again, we will cancel our order. We don't want to be in this. लगा दी? Alright, let's go down to a 5 and let's see. Yeah, you can take your partials right here. Actually, that is fine. Close bearish on the 5. I would prefer bottom wick. If it starts pushing up, guys, cancel order. Okay. No, yeah, no, yeah. Just be ready. Okay, it's making bottom wick now. That's good. So now if it comes up, We can keep our order runs.
Yeah.
Yes.
15 minutes.
Kava.
Just look at the chart. Resistance form.
This is break-even point, guys. Wherever your candle says, or your broker says, will be the wick fill. You can go break even here, okay? You can, if you want to secure, you're looking at 12 pips. But at this point, if it flips, it should just rip. There's a lot of volume.
Nobody, some people entered in the trade. Trade में enter थे क्या?
No, yeah.
तो nobody की नहीं पता.
No, I'm just saying you can. I'm just marking it.
Okay.
It's buy stops. We are not in the position yet, guys. It never broke highs yet, so we're just waiting. The buy stops are in place. They can see the MT, right? Yeah. So by the other position is the XAUUSD position. We'll come back to that later after the gold trade is over with. We'll come back to it. Candles going everywhere.
Man, 15 minutes is creating a support or resistance over.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it at this point. Alright, let's delete buy stops now. No buy stops. We will wait.
Just to make it clear, it's creating this.
Alright. Delete buy stops.
This is form. And this is the breakup which we need. मैंने 15 मिनट को ऊपर कर दिया. सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ ना नीचे जाओ. मैंने 15 मिनट को ऊपर कर दिया था.
क्या कर दिया था?
मैंने ऊपर लाया हूँ क्योंकि मैं 15 मिनट की सपोर्ट के बता रहा हूँ कि ये एक नई रेजिस्टेंस बनाती है 15 मिनट. बोलो तो वापस चलो.
ऊपर क्या कर दिया था? समझ नहीं आ रहा. Okay, there we go. Is this it? Is this it? Anyway, guys, we deleted. It's the last 5 of this 15. I do not want to be in this, and the 5 has no bottom wick. So it doesn't really matter on the 5, but just not my trade anymore. not my setup, but if it's your setup, you got your analysis, you can take what you want. Once it breaks highs, I don't see why it will just break high and come back down. But yeah, it can, because the 5 is never going away. It can break highs to push down heavy. Anyway, let's wait. We're gonna wait for 4-hour closure now. What news we got? We got no news for the time being, so we should be good. You got any setup, Shadows?
No.
Like the stream, everyone. Tap the like button. Has made up on a week now.
यार पिन कर दिया बंद टेलीग्राम में।
हुआ बोलता है क्यों? दिखता नहीं है यार। चैट को देखते हो लिया करो। बोलते क्यों?
देख मेरे पास रेट शो होता।
रेट स्ट्रीम खोलते ही कर लेता पिन। Alright, there we go. 15 is breaking highs. Is this it? Is our analysis gonna work out still? 15 pips for wick fill.
Should we enter in the trade?
No. Not set up anymore. It hasn't broken on my broker yet. If you go into 5, it hasn't broken. Yeah, even on trading, it hasn't broken yet.
But if you can check 15 minutes, you can clearly see there's a new support that was formed. There is a confirm.
What I see in price action is we got a huge bottom wave. 15 closing bullish, and if next 15 breaks highs, we're looking for a bull run. But 50 closing bearish, then I think there's a good chance we start coming down.
I'm saying this can be the new resistance.
Yeah, we can. No, this is based off the. It was based off the previous earlier 15. But let's see. We don't have to worry about it. No more trade, guys, for the next 4 until the next 4 hour now. We're gonna wait for 4-hour closure above 21.31. And we will take the trade off base of the 4. I do not want to enter on the last 15 of the 4, because we can just like how this 15 closing, we can just range for a bit on the 5, just up and down, like on the 1 minute. You will see we don't really want to be in the trade. उधर लगा दे, वापसी जान लगा था. Yes, so you're just gonna wait, guys. Patience. I think you all been here enough. You've seen it. We wait for our trade, our setup, and it works out then. Let's update the records. Are our records up to date? 10.1621, yeah. 67, 62.5. Okay. To Telegram. So how many pips you got on GJ trade? You guys want to see GJ trade? It's been running all day yesterday. Crazy trade this one. So we got about closure here, about 121 pips, 120 pips. Huh, Shadows? How many pips you close second purchase, sir?
How many? Yeah.
Alright, it was 120 pips. It's still running. We don't know. Where's the notes section?
189.911.
189.911. Yeah, 120. Okay. Today is the 6th. Wait, no trade yesterday, huh? And then the G's are running.
GJ, one trade is equals to the whole week trade, man. Whole week takes one.
Yes.
A good trade. I told छोटे टाइम फ्रेम के लिए उसमें ज़्यादा डर नहीं है जी यूरो यूएसडी को तो स्टैश कर रहा हूँ लेट्स सी मतलब बहुत वो है कि पढ़ोगे डाल दो
G's hasn't done. G's isn't giving us a lot of setups right now, and gold is just in, it's doing its thing. That's why we just had a setup on Euro USD. I'll take you guys through it in a sec. Let me update all this. I'll update it now. Yes, okay. So Euro USD trade running. We will update stats later, I think, because the stats are same. 6318 2021. Okay. Go on, shadows.
अभी यूज कर रहा है Strong dollar is around 26%. Just look at the last previous 4 on man, it doesn't have any important. अभी एक तो भी बनाया हुआ देखिए जानी चाहिए but the way Dixie is pretty much strong. If USD is strong then it should down. But उल्टा हो रहा है USD weak हो रहा है no sorry yeah dollar is weak right so dollar is strong currency का यार USD weak है तो बकल अब हमारा सेशन आ रहा है मार्केट let's see it's just a trial man John not allowed us अगली न्यूज़ तो नहीं है ना
No news for the time being. What did
Oh,
15 do that? Still hasn't broken ice.
No, on a carry no trade कर सकते हैं ना यूज
Huh?
कैड को ट्रेड कर सकते हैं ट्रेड की न्यूज़ में यूएसडी को ट्रेड कर सकते हैं ना
Yes. Only. गोल्ड पे yes. कुछ है उस पे क्या कहते हैं?
की बात करो उस पे कर सकते हैं नहीं
गोल्ड पे कर सकता है, फॉरेक्स में कर सकते हो अगर तुम तो करते नहीं हो, अगर तुम जर्मनी की एक्सचेंज पे करते हो जर्मन 30 और समथिंग लाइक दैट और यूके 100 कुछ, तो उसमें यूएस न्यूज़ भी अफेक्ट करती है उनके हिसाब से. Anyway, for gold yes, कैट पे
कैड की उसमें आप कर सकते हो लेकिन नॉट अफेक्ट के
कैट पे लेकिन कैट पे करोगे क्या? 5 मिनट बाद तुम्हारा यूएसडी की न्यूज़ शुरू आएगी तो क्लोजिंग कर सकते हैं.
हाँ तो यूएसडी की जो न्यूज़ आएगी ना
न्यूज़ पे टेंशन नहीं आती, चलो ना मसला नहीं होगा. Okay, last 8 minutes. Is this 15 gonna push? If 15 pushes up to wick fill, that means 4 hours breaking its highs again, which ideally we do not want. So we don't really want 15 to break its highs now, so that we got range on the next 4 hour. The more range, the better, you know. 25 pips. That will be our main partials, I would say, on the wick fill, and then we can aim for higher. Let's see.
5 मिनट तो पावर हाँ मुझे तो पहले आना है
Right, there we go. Wick fill accomplished. Last 5 of the 4 hour. Is this the time the 4 hour is gonna end up pushing? See, our analysis was there. I just don't want it to work right now. It can, you know, like still can push. Doesn't really matter if it's the last 5. And it's trying to break its highs 3 times now. It came down, breaking high again. Once it actually breaks, I mean, there's nothing stopping for it to go to 2139. Let's see what the 30 was showing. Yeah, 30 broke lows and then. Okay, and that is a 1 hour. See, it's weird. 1 hour came down to make a new low to still push up and it's close bullish basically. So you have bottom wick on 4, yes, you got good bottom wick. Yeah, 4 hours nice bullish. It should be able to just run up. We will still need to wait for bottom wick anyway. I'm struggling to break. What's the 1 minute doing? Yeah. 2 minute candles right now. I have no broken highs. These highs that has to break 2138. Is this it? Coming close. And it came down. Alright, we're just waiting. We're just waiting on the 4 now. 4 minutes to foreclosure. Let's see what the level should be then. So for the 4 hour. We have date on the left, right. Right, for the 15, 2130 is a resistance. The next resistance should be somewhere here. So we're gonna bring this as our next resistance. There you go, we broken highs. There we go. That was the play. You'll be break even at this point. Letting the candle run. If you did take the trade, this should be a decent partial area. I mean, it's close enough. You can probably close now. We should be around 20 plus pips, and it's not a bad position at all. But we need a 4-hour top wick for any trade, guys. Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait for structure to form on the lower time frames. But no top wick means no trade on the 4-hour candle. So ideally, in the last 2.5 minutes, we start putting back. See, if you look at 4-hour, it broke its highs again. Yeah, right. My main target should be 2141 though. Just don't read this. Now, where do we want to see a bottom wick? Let's go down to 1-hour time frame. By bottom wick, I can clearly see there's some bottom wick here. So if the last second, so the next 1 hour should be the 4-hour comes down, makes a bottom wick, flips up, we can probably see 2148 getting tapped. But it's a long shot, it's quite a bit far away. That should be main plan right now, a 2125 bottom wick. Let me change that. Okay, just somewhere in the zone, doesn't have to make a bottom wick, just have to come close. So that when it does flip, it means that it doesn't really want to go down and make a bottom wick again. Is it the 4-hour lows as well? No, it's not 4-hour lows, so that's alright. 1 minute left. We have wick fill. We have done the wick fill there. So not a lot of range, so we really need some kind of bottom wicks. We need pullback here. We need a pullback, so we got range left and a top wick, obviously. Ten seconds. Bottom top wick, please. Alright, this is a resistance on 5. We have a resistance on 5, okay.
Jesus.
It's closing right at it.
So there was a trade?
No, yeah, no. It did happen. 15-minute did exactly what we wanted. Partials were hit. This was your partial 29. That's 30 pips basically. 30 pips partials, not bad, but it happened on the last 5 minutes of the 4-hour. It's not where we want to be. So new 4-hour is making top wick first, breaking highs, which is okay. But we don't know where the bottom wick is gonna be exactly.
Means last week you trading only.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait, guys, for the 30 closure and wait, see what NYC is giving us. This not 4-hour close with a small top wick. It kind of ate into range, and this 4-hour can make a very steep bottom wick even if it wants to go up. So like ideally I don't want to be in a trade for all this drawdown or something, because your stops, you can't really have stops like your clear stops are literally below this range. Somewhere here you're gonna be putting your stops. If you want to trade off this 4-hour candle, because we don't really know how steep it can go. There's no data to look at, so we're just gonna let the 30-minute play and we'll see what happens. If it ends up hitting 2141, it may mean we have to wait longer. But it's making bottom wick, that is good. Just want a nice steep. We need a few 5-minute closures of bearish structure. If we keep a structure, okay, if we stay above this on closures, yeah, I really want to tap 2133 at some point for the 4-hour to really do something. It's a strong area. But yeah, obviously we want a nice steep bottom wick on 4-hour, which will mean structure on the 5. Which is we will need some bearish structure for it to start rejecting away from, to turn back to bullish in a way. We just had a bullish run here, like for the whole New York session, basically pre-NY. So we need structure. Yeah, so you're gonna wait. Yeah. At any point is I think once it starts coming down, yeah, once it has stepped 2133 and it does flip, I think buys will still be good. But yeah, we need a steep bottom wick. Yeah, it won't be bad if we tap 2125. We made the bottom wick here, or even here 2127 at the minimum, and on the 4-hour basically. And once 4-hour break highs, I mean the trade is based off the 4 hours. Then like forget 2141 is gonna, it has to just rip with that steep of a bottom wick. But it depends on the timing. You don't want to see that happen in the at the end of the 4-hour candle, right? So you need the news to basically make the bottom wick, and the next news to push it back up or something. So what's the power testifying? How long is he gonna talk? Oh, we already got the release. I think it's gonna change. अच्छा ज़्यादा बदलेगा नहीं ना इससे कुछ?
Maybe your question answers.
Yeah, because
Powell
it's already
actually
released.
सवाल कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसमें. पॉवेल आपको कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला सर. क्रॉस क्वेश्चन होंगे. बेटर टू अवॉइड इट. जब ये चीज आई बिलीव इट्स 8 बजे ये तो बेटर टू अवॉइड इट. कितने बजे जाएंगे?
The statement has
पाकिस्तानी
been
टाइम के बाद.
released. Its testimony text is
No, there
released.
will be no statement. It will be testified. Testified actually means in which Powell have a cross question answer with the media. That's it. There will be no speech or any letter will be issued. Interview. You can say to the interview.
Just testify. Yeah.
So you can testify about things. So I believe market will manipulate. So it's better to stay at trade. Because obviously gold का जो तरीका है जो gold का reaction है. Be patient. If you find anything right now, that's better. But if you're not,
Yeah, we're gonna be here for the next hour. But at this point, when the 3 p.m. news comes around, problem is Powell will be speaking, which can change the direction of the gold at any point. So it would be hard to take a trade at this point after this until he actually finishes his testifying section. It's gonna be hard. I don't. How long is he gonna talk? Is there a usual time limit? Let's read.
I believe half an hour. Will be not testify for half an hour. But that will manipulate the market. I think that will not. That will affect. But it's better to stay away from the market. And as you can see, gold is reacting pretty much hard. So it's better to stay away from the market. I don't. That's my personal opinion. Last week was completely a dull week. This week is completely. Give me some. Okay.
Let's read what it says.
share now.
Okay, looks good for gold with FOMC coming up towards the end of the month. Why I'm saying that is personally want to see bearish market at this point. We can see how the monthly just ripped with no enough of topic, so we can start coming back down. We can start coming down, and I think FOMC can bring us down heavily. I'm expecting rate cuts to come up. Well, this is what the market is really saying. People, you know, on this news, people are talking about expecting rate cuts at this point. I believe the rates have been steady. We haven't had any rate cuts for a while. If I quickly go to FOMC, is it last Friday? This week. This one. It should be this week. Why then not? Do I not see it? It's not here. Oh, there you go. It was on March 20th. Yeah, midweek. Okay. FOMC press. This is what we need. Projection. Okay. So yeah, you can see how we had no rate cuts at all. Let's see, when was the last rate? This here. Wow, this. Oh. So it's back in June 2022 when the forecast was different. Otherwise, forecast has always been the same. Absolutely the same. What they forecast, what they go. But it was only happened once in like 3 years or something, where the actual was different to the forecast. Anyway, are we ever going to return below 0.25% interest rates? Guess we'll see when we see it. But yeah, the idea is from 5.5% we start coming down by 0.25 probably. So we come back down to 5.25, then to 5, 4.75, 4.54, and I think we might. It's gonna take a long time, obviously. I mean, it's gonna take a year or 2 years to come back down to 3% something at some point. But we had same 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 5 months straight of the, actually 4 months straight, I would say, of same rate, no change to the rates. So expecting cuts to come up and start coming down. The market has the potential to come down. So if it does happen on this FOMC, so this month, we're coming down, which would be good for gold, because dollar will get stronger on cut, and so gold will come down, and monthly can flip eventually, can start heading down. If this monthly closes bearish, like strong one, like at least around this range, like something like this, well, won't be like this, but it will be like this. So if this closes like this with a top wick like that, and I don't know how far it will go, but I would like to see a bottom wick till here at least. So bottom is something like that, maybe not quite. Yeah, something like this. The body doesn't have to be super big, but I think yeah, I was just checking something. Anyway, yeah. So a bottom wick. So you want a decent body. You don't want a weak one. Okay, you don't want to see this closure with a huge wick on top. Yeah, I mean, it just means that there's a chance price can still go up on the next month. But a strong bearish closure with a top wick like this, and I mean, even if it breaks all the highs, it won't be the worst thing. If there's a top wick like this breaking all the highs, that means you just grab huge liquidity. So it could be a very volatile month. Yes, so once this monthly flips, breaks its lows, it's gonna have a heavy push down. So the day it happens, that day could be volatile. But it's a long way to come down. And we'll see if it happens before FMC or it's gonna happen on FMC day or something. We'll see when that happens. But yeah, we wouldn't mind a break of highs for the month to flip. It just means to grab lots of orders to come down, which is what I was expecting personally on the previous monthly. This one monthly that closed bullish. I wanted to see a break of this high at least to actually push us down, but we didn't really push down because we never broke highs. I didn't really do much. We started going bearish before at the end of the month it actually pushed up to continue this bullish run up. So yeah, a strong bearish closure would be good. That means there's a good chance. Even if it closes above this, it may close respecting this zone, which means the monthly can always go bullish, but there will be a good chance that the next monthly bottom wick will be around this zone at least. You want a bottom wick down here for the next month. So we close like this, we open like this. Okay. So even if wants to go bullish, we probably see a bottom wick down there, which I do think will go bullish if it's actually closed bearish like that. But it's a monthly candle, anything can happen. If this was 1 hour candle, I'll be more confident saying something like this. But on the monthly, candle can go anywhere. Yeah. So just expecting a nice bearish closure this month will be good. We will be good to keep going. Okay, so yes, so 1 hour still haven't flipped or anything. 4 hours still running. We haven't broken 30 lows still. Yeah, just a waiting game, guys. So I don't think there will be any trade even at NYC. Just have to wait for all these news folders to go through. Then we'll see what happens. Maybe another day with no trade on stream. It's unfortunate with the way the gold is moving right now. I mean, look at yesterday's day. Very volatile, but all the candles barcoded. So if somebody had a sell here, they'll get stopped heavy. If somebody had a buy here, they'll get stopped down here. It's a crazy range to be in. And I believe it's Asia today. Yeah, late Asia. Okay. still waiting, still waiting. There's no setup. 5 minute has just not moved much. It hasn't really moved today. Like this all this moves.
If I really tell you, I believe there will be a news at 7:45.
Yeah.
I believe the market will create a new range, and after that, the Powell will talk, I believe, and the market will move. So I don't think so. Today was really a trading day.
Market can move after Powell speaks, especially with
Yeah,
the
but that
job
will be a
openings
great
report as
move.
well.
Yeah, it can move.
Yeah, so it may move late and why? It may not move. I, I really want 4 hours to come down. So
No, actually,
need this 1 hour
if
to close strong bearish.
if
So we
you
can
just
have
open
G.
my,
Mm,
if you just open my tab, just open it. A 5 minute. This was some sort of a structure which was creating. Just I did it, man. Just refresh me on 5 minutes. No, still not working. Oh,
says
there's a
that.
bad deal. No, no, give me a sec. Just give me a second.
Hmm. Oh, I'll be back in a minute.
भेज दूं चला गया किसी ठीक है
Okay, I'm back.
Oh yeah.
So 4-hour breaking highs. It's not the worst bottom wick, but I don't know. 30 closing 3 minutes as well. Is this what's gonna happen? Is it really gonna push in the last 3 minutes again? Just how the last one pushed. 15 closed bearish, the next 15 bullish. It's gonna be barcode, I think. If this 15 comes back here, okay, if this 15 closes anywhere below this, I mean, it has to close above the wick really. If it doesn't close above wick, this is it. I think the day is over. We're gonna see barcoding. Do not want to be in this. You see how we had barcoded here? We don't want this start. This is a start of barcode. There's a good chance we keep barcoding. Even if a news, ends up making wicks anyway it wants. I don't want to be in barcode. So this is 30 on close bearish basically. See. Did we had a top wick on this 30? Yeah, we had a small top wick. Just make a new one. Okay, it's coming down. I'm gonna see barcode. What? NYC coming up. 1 minute to go, guys. Alright, we close below. So yeah, 30 close bearish. Is it really silvery? I don't know. Considering there's not range left on a break of high, at 13 pips is your advantage point basically. It's not worth getting 13 pips for a huge drawdown. But if we tap 41.9 with no bottom wick on this 30, we can try sells. But let's see. It has to happen quick. If it doesn't happen quickly, it won't be in it. Like if it takes the whole 30 minutes just to go up and then come down, it won't be a good trade. But I do believe. Okay, we're doing it. Okay, could be some sells. Be ready, guys. Maybe a potential position coming up. Maybe it's a possibility. We needed to tap this. We need to break basically this wick. If it flips now, it just could be a bottom wick just to rip up. So, or once again, as I said, 15 minutes just barcoding, which may turn to 30-minute barcoding. That's how we saw here. Like, we don't really want to be in trade. But we are being careful. There is news coming up in 15 minutes. The cat news. But I do expect price can react to it as well. Sometimes it does react to CAD. And then we also got 15 minutes after that, so 30 minutes from now, we got Joe's job openings and Powell is testifying, which may just be it. So if this doesn't happen, if you don't get a trade right now, I think we're gonna call it. I think we probably should call it, because after news happen, I don't think a trade will come till half an hour later. I probably have to wait for 30 minutes to close, or 15 on the minimum. I'm not sure how long Powell's speech or testifying is happening, how long it's gonna go. I don't really know how long he talks, so we got the tap, I think.
सर वो नेट का इशू आ गया था.
Alright, we got a tap. So 4 hour they display as well. Our original 15 they display, but I think you will go on break even at this point, yes. So if we had a buy here, like we had it, you will go on break even by now. Alright, if you flip bearish, there might be maybe a good chance. Let's be good chance. Stops at 40 pips. Alright. We probably find stops on the 50 minutes, 5 minutes, sorry. But this is the potential trade, guys. It's not a trade yet. I'll give the trade when we start coming back down. But it can just rip to 21.48 and we never see this. But this is the main trade, basically, the idea. But this 30 minutes doesn't need a bottoming because this could be 4 hours just playing his part and 1 hour taking over.
What I clearly see is it will tap the all-time high in this high.
Yeah, I mean it's going.
It is going. Only 40 pips are there.
Yeah, there's absolutely no resistance for it to get held up on.
You better to stay away from the market.
It should be very clear to go up, but don't get FOMO. Do not get impulse buy sales, guys.
Just like
this kind of volume, I mean, it can come down, make a bottoming and still go up. You never know. Like, I don't know why anyone wants to enter at this point. Like, it's not a setup. If it's your setup, go ahead. But we've been waiting for these break of highs all day. Just happened to have when there was no bottom wicks. So are we gonna get that all-time high stepped? I was thinking of this as silvery play, and you don't need a bottom wick on it. On the break of highs, you could have gone, but there's no range. And with the way the gold was moving, I wasn't sure if this volume gonna kick in, especially with news coming up. Oh, it's coming down.
I believe better to stay there. Shadows and you are done for the day.
Yeah. Well, buys are only possible at this point if you get a bottom wick and we flip back up on this 5 basically. So
No supply
I mean, it's unlikely it's gonna do it now. It's trying to go up. But if it actually makes a bottom wick at 39 and then we flip bullish, we can take buys going up. Probably on the break of highs and go up 30 pips, this range. So buys will only happen if this 30 makes a bottom wick and we break his highs again. Otherwise, we'll still be looking for potential sells. No sell stop right now, guys. 5 did close above this range, 2141. Most recent resistance area. So we need closures below to potentially grab
So
some.
then just see the DJ.
DJ push?
I done. Again.
Yeah, like. Yeah, GG is looking good. If this 4 hour closes bearish, the one that we are on.
This is the reason I waited for whole to get. Because it gives 80 to 90 pips for sure. But we have to just be patient.
Yeah, if this 4 hour closes below 189.958, below this range, I don't see why it will start going up. Like, it should just go next to this spot. Have you already seen here? We close below. And I can't delete it. We close below here on the 4. The next 4 just push. So we good.
Prediction for the news. I'm here. Mine are dead.
4 hour closing bearish, breaking slows. We're good to go on GJ. What's the
7 minutes. 7 minutes, I believe. No, 7 minutes. What are your expectations for the news?
News is cat news, so I have no idea. If market doesn't have to move, it can, but it doesn't have to.
I've stopped making assumptions about the news, predictions about the news. Man, never. I hope today we hit the all-time high, and we get to see the news. As you can see, Bitcoin has created the all-time high. Ethereum is about to, I believe. So I expect gold also. Like, supply demand चल ही नहीं करता गोल्ड पहले चल रहा था but the way Bitcoin and everything happens it also affected gold but gold का कोई context नहीं है इतना bullish move करने का सिर्फ यही context है कि Bitcoin move Ethereum move बड़े जो traders हैं they move gold so there's no supply demand working on it's like area में आए भाई उठा लो क्योंकि gold bullish ही है आज मैं वो ट्रेड लेके था सॉरी it was around 100 plus man
Yeah.
but I wasn't into trading or something.
वही तुम्हारे ब्रोकर पे ऑल टाइम हाई हिट हुए गोल्ड पे Yeah, my broker is showing 2192 as all time highs. So not 2148.
21?
2192. I remember the all time highs were different for different brokers.
My one broker is showing all-time highs 2133.
Yeah, you're 33, right? I think 8 cap hit his all-time highs already. But I'm on Blueberry. Mine doesn't have no hit on my broker, and trading you hasn't hit either. So yeah, so it's kind of a weird area we're playing in. With all-time highs, you just you have no idea what to do at this point.
My another broker all-time highs are 2135.
Yeah, just need bearish closures, and hopefully tomorrow unemployment claims just comes good. They're expecting higher, lower, or higher numbers. So worse, they're expecting bad results.
हाँ है ही नहीं अब आज को
They're
ट्रेड नहीं
expecting
किया वो नहीं
bullish move on gold.
अब क्या ट्रेड लेंगे आईसी का ट्रेड
It's just a hard zone to trade in. Like this, there's no direction. Yeah.
आप डायरेक्शन
Okay,
ही
there's a
अभी
direction on daily, but like inside the daily, so much up and down. You're like, what are you gonna trade on?
अगर आप 15 मिनट में भी ट्रेड करना चाहो
Yeah,
तो
it's
इजीली
confusing.
30 to 40 बिप गया आपके
And no, what's the thing? There's no wicks and stuff as well on entries.
It's just
So
moving
5
without
close
any
bearish, but still close above 21.41. So no sells still, and it'll be last 3 minutes of 15, so it doesn't really matter. We're not gonna enter any sells.
gold need to change its direction to get inside one.
Yeah,
The
I'm
way
really
it's-
hoping FOMC pushes down and make the monthly flip
I personally
bearish.
think that maybe we can see 3000 level for gold this time.
3,000. That's very far away. What do you mean? That's 900 pips.
Pretty much reason for that, man.
No, it's not 900. It's 9,000 pips. Sorry.
Not, I believe not. Hopefully this month maybe.
2,200 max.
Not yeah, 3000.
3,000 कहाँ से ला रहा है भाई?
3000 ज़्यादा हो गया. I believe that is fine. But reasons can बहुत simple से यार. If we
2,200 maybe.
if we check the जब उसने उनका all time high break करा था, the last equal highs को liquidate करके भाई जो डम करा था, वो अपने रेजिस्टेंस सपोर्ट एरिया पे आके रुक गया था. अगर चाहता तो नीचे वाले एरियाज को भी खत्म करना चाहता, और वो वहां रुक के ना फिर घूम गया था. तो वो 2000 के लेवल था जो कहा गया था बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल है. मार्केट अगर उसको तोड़ती है तो हम देख सकते हैं. उसने तोड़ा भी था छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे, लेकिन बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे वो वहीं थी. और जब ये घूमी है तो मुझे क्यों लगता है अब इसलिए नहीं घूमी है कि ये अब इसको ब्रेक करके नीचे आए. ये इसलिए घूमी, इसको ब्रेक करके ये अब नहीं एक बार आए पर की तरह. Honda is forex.com is also getting the all-time highs. Honda is also getting the all. पर मेरे ब्रोकर्स को तो हो गया और
मैं ब्रोकर
मेरे 3 ब्रोकर हैं, तीनों. And I believe ये
that
अभी
previous 4 hours since twice. Once we push down,
क्या
I
लगती
did it. Hit the retrace push up.
you should trade it on.
No, just setup आएगा. No forcing trades, anything like that.
So do you think today is the day?
Today's setup was this move that already happened on this break of highs.
मेरे पास सेटअप तो बड़ा है वो
So
today
move 70 pips. My setup, no moves. Nothing for us to get here. It's so bullish. 5 is still closing above. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it. Cat news in 1 minute. Let's see if the cat news moves anything. If it starts coming bearish, it'll be good.
If not, then Tata.
Can't really take a trade still because next news coming up in 15 after that. So there won't be any trade till like 15 past 3 maybe, quarter past 3.
मैं खत्म कर दूँ.
But let's see. I'm still here. I'm gonna look for something. See, the idea was sells here on the break of these lows, but it never happened. It never broke on the 30. I was thinking about the buys here, but yeah, the range wasn't there for us to grab something. Wasn't worth. Okay, 20 seconds for news. Is gold gonna get affected by cat news today? It is something with overnight rate, interest rates, yes. So my cats is at 5% as well. Okay. Wait, if Cat drops his rates today, it'll be crazy. Nothing move, nothing change in gold, yeah. No changing gold. Same rate, okay. They did not cut their rates.
All-time high also. And it is like how many pips? 7 pips are left. Not 7, more than 7. 40 pips are still left on Honda. क्या लगता है थोड़ी होगा?
See, this is annoying. I did the wick fill already. So buys were possible with the 15 closure above this range. It's the first time ever has done it, but we still needed to see a bottom wick.
Okay.
It may rip up. No bottom wick here, no bottom wick here. So hard to trade it. This is just impulse buyers, like just gambling. Like sure, it can go up. We expect Rainbow 48 to get tapped at some point, but is it really a part of your setup? Like it's not giving you wicks. The higher tech frames don't have the wicks. Now is this 1 hour gonna fill? I would ideally like 1 hour to pull back here, close above 2141, and the next 1 hour to make a bottom wick. Then you can trade off the 1 hour, it'll be good. But with news in the way, we don't know if you'll get that.
Just enjoy gold. I believe it will create the all-time high before that. I hope it creates the all-time high, man. Man, 20 pips are left, man. I'm enjoying.
on my broker, how many pips? My broker is long way off. There's a lot of range. It's got 460 pips.
मेरे सारे फोकस पे उसने ऑल-टाइम हाई बना दिया, बट पता नहीं ऑन और स्टॉक में
Blueberry 460 pips.
460 pips or 46 pips?
460.
460 pips बचे अभी.
2192 पे. 96.
हैं?
Okay, at this point, it might as well tap the all-time highs. Gone. Tap all-time highs. Next one, I'll come down. And can we finally start seeing bearish momentum now?
Yes.
Heavy bullish. I wouldn't mind when I close with no top wick and closes at this. Once it taps 48, closes below it though.
Next
Small
party.
top wick. Yeah, it will just come down. The next 1 hour has to come down. Alright, we just wait. Look at that 5 minute. Big push, then slow push down, then big push, slow push down, semi big, nothing here. Big push, small push down, and now big push. Alright, we got it. All time highs. This is it. No bottom wick.
Happy New Year.
Bomb, 100 pips there. 100 pips will move crazy. I don't think cat news moved it. It could have moved it. That means Canadian dollar did not get stronger of this because they didn't cut the rate, but they didn't increase it. Could have moved it. We don't really know.
I believe I will be done for the day.
Yeah, we got it. Crazy, bro. So it's only been 3 months. Where's the all-time high gone? It's only been 3 months since we saw.
It's done and dusted.
All-time highs, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations, everyone.
We tapped and instantly rejected.
Happy New Year for everyone.
Happy. Look, we tapped and instantly rejected. Like, it doesn't mean we're gonna keep pushing up. We can't push up. It just means there's a resistance there.
So, in short, there will be no trade for the day because we don't have any.
Alright, we'll be good.
Flip.
Now, this is what I wanted for our like daily to some kind of candle to tap and then flip. If flipping means it's got volume, bro, it's going. But this could be 5. If this 5 doesn't break lows now, if it breaks highs, it will wick fill then likely again and keep pushing up. But let's see. News in 10 minutes. Instant rejection, bro. Put a sell. You should put a sell limit here on the all-time high. And you got 35 pips running. Okay, it's 5 flipping now. 5 flipped. Okay, there we go. It made the bottom wick. Is this gonna push up quickly or no? 20 pips for it to push up. I still wanna see rejection in a little bit higher, like up here or something. I didn't want to see it just tap and come down. I needed to tap up and push up a bit higher and then come down. Like this is just tapping high all time high. It's not actually creating like massive all time high. It's just a new all time high, but on order. I mean, it's not the same.
Yeah, man, I'm done.
Yeah, you can call it off.
बड़ा सर हो गया है वो मैंने तो न्यूज़ पे देखा बस पढ़ाई वाला न्यूज़ चलो ट्रेड आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते मैं मेरे को सेटअप मिल गया
The only setup we had was this, and that was the full TP there. 110 pips done. 1100 pips there. But we never got our entry. And this was our stops, I think.
It was a risky trade. Not a pusher on the market. It was risky.
So it wasn't the worst trade. I mean, we could have taken it, but it just wasn't our setup. Now the only thing I can do is look for sales probably coming down. We'll see where the 1 hour closes. Anyway, news coming up, guys. So no trade for the time being. There will be no trade for the next half an hour. So I don't see the point waiting here on live stream. You can join free Telegram group. It's link in the description and in the chat. You can join that, and if I do take a trade or if there's any other setups on GJ or EuroUSD or something else, you get free signals on that. Okay, and join the free Discord server if you got any questions. The community there can help you. Alright, but I think we'll call it a stream today. No trade today either, but it's just the market cycle we're in right now for gold.
Psychology tells marks are flat.
Yeah, it's just gonna take some time, but we rejected right off there beautifully, so this isn't bad. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna call it today now. We'll see you guys tomorrow then. Okay, hopefully daily ends up closing bearish today, which means tomorrow we can start seeing bearish move. If it closes anywhere up here, tomorrow might be a dead day as well. Just not gonna lie, like, there won't be any area for us to trade in, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.